sure this film is going to thrill you. We had 5 nominations at the just concluded Abuja International Film Festival, and I won Best Director with this film. So I'm so excited about this movie, and I hope and believe that at the end of the day, you guys will be thrilled.
So far, as someone who is very passionate, and she knows that I'm very passionate crossing myself. That's why she came to tell me the story, Victims. And from the moment she told me, I took it up from there, because I am always interested in women's stories. Somehow, some way, I could be described as a feminist. So whenever we're talking about women, especially pains of women, that gets to me a lot, because I'm one man who is close, very close to the mother. So Victim is a very personal experience for me. That is why, while writing the story, all the characters were just revealing themselves to me, and I found it really easy, because I was not far from the true experience. It's a wonderful one. The producer is a wonderful person. The executive producer is a wonderful person. They always talk to me. We always discuss Victims. Even when there's nothing happens about Victims that I don't know about, the executive producer will call me and say, Victims has won so award, so place. The producer, basically, will call me, Victims has won award in so place. And I will say, that is just the beginning. Because that story, the cinematography, the general outlook of Victims is a dynamite. It's something. I told Mercy, I said, look, Mercy, you've got dynamite. What you're carrying is gold. Man, you just have to cherish it. You just have to carry it right. And you just have to allow the world to share this with you. Victims is one story that talks. It must speak to you somehow, somewhere. This is not just a story about one person. It's about a whole lot of people, a whole lot of victims.